So we lost. Hey man, it was Alabama. I mean, whatever. The good news is I'm outside grilling, and I thought really would like to make me a nice, refreshing drink, to drown my sorrows. So, lucky for you, I said, why not just turn the camera on? Show y'all good folks how to really enjoy Labor Day. Come on, family. Let's mix. All right, family, come on in. We can go ahead and go over these ingredients for this delicious strawberry mojito. First and foremost, we have our strawberries. Do you need strawberries? No, you don't, but it does add a different element. It makes the drink looks better, adds a little bit more of a natural flavor as well. Then we have our mint. I love these really big mint leaves, so we have that as well. Our lime, simple syrup. Simple syrup is basically water and sugar. You don't need to go out and buy a bottle of simple syrup. Warm up some hot water, get it hot, put some sugar in it, a good amount of sugar in it, let it dissolve, put it in the refrigerator. Simple syrup. Don't go buy simple syrup. All right, we have the Captain Morgan's white rum, and then we have the strawberry mix. You can use this for daiquiris, strawberry margaritas, and in this case, strawberry mojitos. Some club soda to go with that as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it off in this mason jar. That's just gonna add a different look to it. That's what I think. So let's hurry up and get this done, folks, because I wanna go and make sure my meat is doing okay. Sit back on the patio, smoke me a cigar, have me a nice mojito, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and get this situated and out of the way. Cut these in wedges. All right, so starting off, let's go ahead and get these mint leaves off in here. And here's a secret to a very good mojito. Don't destroy the mint leaves. Don't destroy them. Just put them in there, muddle it a little bit. Just don't destroy it, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and drop 2 of these off in there. Go ahead and get a couple of these strawberries as well. All right, let's do 3 of these. I'll get these washed off. Put those bad boys off in there. Now, what I like to do is, you know what? I'm gonna put 3 because we're gonna make a big drink. I'm gonna put 3 of those limes in there. So what I like to do is, ooh, boy. Boy, this is nice. I like to put a dash of the club soda off in there before I muddle. Now, some people do the simple syrup. That's just not my thing. I like to do this. So now we have this muddled off pretty good. Now the lime is on the bottom, so it's not going to get destroyed, and we've extracted all the juice from those limes that are in there. Now we can go ahead, add our simple syrup, and then let's do a half ounce of this, okay? Let's just do a half ounce of this. I don't want it to overtake anything. I want it to kind of be a nice balanced drink. Okay. Now, as for the rum, since we are doing a really big glass for it, let's go ahead and do 3 ounces. All right, go ahead and get your ice. Put that off in there and get you some store-bought ice, folks. Don't use the ice in your freezer. Get you some store-bought ice. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this over here. Bring it out. Put that off in there. Go ahead and drop your club soda off in there, folks. Give it a nice stir. And if you want to be cute, you can add you and so there you have it, folks. Homemade mojito. Go ahead and get this bad boy a taste real quick. Yeah. Ooh. Nice, cool, crisp, refreshing. Okay. I like this. Wow. Man, that's nice right there. So folks, gotta get out to this grill. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning into Yes Chef, I wanna thank you and welcome you. And if you've gotten any value out of anything that you've seen from this content, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want to be a part of the Yes Chef family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to smash the notification bell. That'll keep you up to date on everything new that we come out with, every video that we drop. So folks, I gotta run. So until the next time we see you, till the very next video, as always, family, cheers.